12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment is a leave-in conditioning spray that smooths frizzes and formulated to protect your hair from heat styling damages, UV sun exposure, and even chlorinated or salt water. It's made with Japanese fatty acids to enhance hair color, texture, and works instantly to soften, treat, and reverse damage. Simple to use, just mist hair before blow drying or swimming, or use on dry hair to restyle and nourish between shampoos.
Oils, I think essential oils really are the essence of the plant. It's like all about power, and that little bit of the plant is in its purest form. And what's so wonderful about an essential oil is that the way that the molecules not only can, when they topically get on our body, they absorb into our bodies and can affect healing, but also the smell and the scent can actually affect our state of mind. And so an essential oil, I think, is the most profound and the purest delivery of like what holistic medicine, a true integration of mind, body, and spirit.
Routine for shiny and strong hair. First, I'll wash my hair using the Redken Extreme Shampoo. This makes my hair super shiny, and I love that it also reduces breakage and split ends. I just wet my hair and lather it and then rinse well. After that, I go in with the Redken Extreme Conditioner. My favorite part of this conditioner is that it protects against heat damage, which is perfect because I'm always trying out new hairstyles. After that, I blow dry and use hot rollers, and I end up with the hair of my dreams.